Today's lesson for you is to make each ad a gift, to make each ad, each email, each bit of marketing message that you send out to your audience a gift, a present, something that they will perceive as having a high amount of value. This is the last video, the last email that I'm going to be sending out prior to Christmas. And so I was trying to weigh, like, how do I both give you a Christmas or holiday themed message, whether you celebrate Christmas or not? How do I give you that message, but also at the same time fulfill on my promise that every one of these videos that you receive is going to deliver some type of value for you as a marketer, as a copywriter, as an entrepreneur, business builder, as a human being. And I landed on this idea: make each ad a gift. So when we give gifts, our goal is that they're going to be received in a way where the person says, wow, this is special. This is something that I value. This is something that I love and that I'm going to cherish. And I appreciate that you put the thought into finding the right gift for me. And the best gifts are absolutely that someone recognizes that, oh, this is something that when they're shopping for us for a gift, or when we're shopping for someone else for a gift, the giver wants the recipient to feel like it's something that is wanted, is desired, is thoughtful, is based on the unique relationship between the giver of the gift and the receiver of the gift, right? And as the receiver of the gift, we cherish most the gifts where someone has put the thought into finding the right gift for us. And that gift is going to be something that we're going to not just enjoy the act of opening, which is exciting and wonderful as you tear into the wrapping paper and you figure out, and you open up the box and you figure out, oh, that's what this person decided to give me. But that gift being something that's continued to be used through time and continue to have value through time. And that idea, make each ad a gift. Well, if you put that kind of thoughtfulness, if you put that kind of value into your ads, if you think about the purpose of this ad is to not just go out and try to manipulate and cajole this person into taking whatever action and giving me their money. But the purpose of this ad is to go out and give this person value, which upon receiving the value, they're going to be interested in building this relationship more. Like that purpose, that essence that you're looking for in a gift, in a present, is the purpose, the essence that works best in ads, especially in terms of not just the response you're going to get today, because you can certainly manipulate people into responding today, but in the long-term process of building your business, in that process of building your business for the long run, such that you are building this relationship with people through time, developing this relationship, and you're depositing more and more deposits in their emotional piggy bank, where they're feeling more and more like, oh, this person just continues to give me value, and so I'm going to continue to pay attention and be interested in what this business is doing. And by making each ad a gift, by delivering that value in each ad, by delivering something that makes that person feel like, ooh, yeah, this is good stuff, you're going to be developing a relationship. And the long-term payoff of this is really cool, because as people start to recognize your name, your business name, as people start to recognize that, hey, each ad that this person sends me is like a gift of value that I'm receiving, right? What's going to happen is that they're going to be more engaged, that they're going to open your emails right away when you send them. They're going to want to engage with you. They're going to want to go deeper into your content. You're going to develop a reputation with them of delivering that value, and they're going to want more and more value from you. And whether that value comes in the form of products that you offer or services that you offer, whatever it is, if they know that you're always looking out for them, that you're always there to give them the gift of value, they're going to trust. They're going to build a trust in you. They're going to build a relationship with you such that, yes, they see the value that you can offer, and they're happy to receive the value that you can offer. And they're going to want more of the value that you can offer. And that's going to lead to more engagement with every advertisement, more attention put on every advertisement, more interest given to every advertisement. And at that point, that's going to start to create a snowball effect, and they're going to have more desire for the products, the services, the offers that you're putting in front of them. And they're going to take more action and make more purchases from you. And so it's not necessarily like a short-term exploitation play to make sure that you're giving everyone value. Although oftentimes the ads that are seen as a gift, as being a present, as being valuable, oftentimes it's those ads that do get a lot of attention and do get a lot of response because they do stand out. But also it is a long-term play, like I said, because you're building that relationship through time with your audience, with your prospects, with your customers, with your clients. And there's more and more knowing and liking and trusting of you that's being built up, such that every time that you put out something new, they're going to be predisposed to at least pay attention and probably take you up on your offer. So that's my Christmas message for you today, that is also hopefully a gift of value that you are receiving in terms of a marketing idea, a copywriting idea that can help you grow your business, grow your client's business. My name is Roy Furr. This has been a video issue of Breakthrough Marketing Secrets. And I'd love it if you could leave a comment below. Let me know on a scale of 1 to 10, how valuable did you find this gift of content and why? Like, what's your big takeaway? How are you going to choose to use this going forward? Also, tap that like button before you go so you get more content like this delivered to you. And so the magical algorithms of the internet will share it with more people like you who will find it valuable. You can certainly share it with folks directly. And subscribe before you go. You can subscribe here also at breakthroughmarketingsecrets.com, where you'll get my daily emails, including these videos, plus more exclusive content for email subscribers only. And hey, I always aim for that 10 out of 10 value. I always hope that this will be a gift of value that's well received. I hope that that's what you have received here. And I want to wish you Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever you celebrate. I want to wish you joy in this season and all year long. Again, my name is Roy Furr. This has been a video issue of Breakthrough Marketing Secrets, and I look forward to seeing you again next week with your next video issue. I'll see you soon. Bye.